Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix Instagram story not uploading. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Instagram and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the bottom, you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find the home section, search, reels, and also your account or profile section. So right now, for example, if you want to add a story and you click on the option to upload your story and you can't upload it, the reason might be your internet connection. So make sure that you are connected to a good internet. And if you are connected to a good internet and you still have this problem, then try to close Instagram. And then once you do that, go to settings on your phone, and then once you're here in the settings, go ahead and search for apps or applications. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it. And then right here, you're going to find the list that includes all of the installed apps on your device. Right now, go ahead and scroll down until you find Instagram. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it. And then right here, you're going to find all of the settings related to this application. Once you're here, go ahead and scroll down until you find storage. Go ahead and click on storage. And then here in the bottom, you're going to find these two options, clear data and also clear cache. Go ahead and click on clear cache and then go back and open Instagram again and try to re-upload your story. And then it should be working fine. So this is it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you found this video helpful, and see you guys in the next video.